Being a millionaire isn't just about having a lot of money. It is an entire mindset. Unless you have millions of dollars waiting for you in a trust fund or something like that, you're not gonna make $1 million just sitting around doing nothing with the money you already have. You see, millionaires have many habits that make them as successful as they are. These habits are the key to their success. In this video, I'll be going through 5 of the most important investing habits that almost every person should have. These habits might just change your life, so let's dive right in. Number 5. Have a plan and goals. Having life goals is generally a good idea, but when it comes to your finances, it's almost essential. Having a goal will help you stay motivated and see the light at the end of the tunnel whenever you make a major financial decision. It can help you prioritize certain investments, make yourself accountable, and most importantly, it can help you create a plan. You will never actually achieve any of the goals you set for yourself if you do not have a plan to reach them. Creating a plan will help you stay focused, on track, and in the long run, it'll prevent you from spending money on things you don't need. A good goal is always SMART, which means it's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based. If you just keep these 5 letters in your mind, you will always be able to find the right goal to help you. Spend a lot of time actually creating a plan to reach your goals, and don't be afraid to change up the plan to make it even better. However, once you actually create a solid one, stick to it. Number 4, invest whatever you save. Saving is a very important part of being financially responsible. No matter how bad your financial situation may be, you need to save anything you can, even if it's something that's so tiny you might not think of it as useful at all. But every little bit of savings counts. However, it is important to understand that you should not save for something useless like a luxury good. Instead of that, you should try to invest whatever you save. Investing whatever you save will give you an opportunity to actually earn money on top of whatever you save. No, you shouldn't just leave your money in a savings account because that is not an investment. Savings accounts generally have a lower interest rate than the rate of inflation, which means you would actually be losing money in the long run. When I say you need to invest the money you save, I mean you need to invest it in something that can either increase in value or give you some sort of passive income. Number 3, think of the long term. If you want to become a millionaire, you should focus more on long-term investments rather than short-term ones. This means that you shouldn't waste your time trying to become a daily trader and try to gamble with the money that you have. Instead, you should try to invest in a prospect that you believe is going to be successful in the future. That's what people who invested in Tesla in 2011 did, or people who invested in Bitcoin around the same time did. They saw the future prospect of these investments, and they didn't sell as soon as they saw an opportunity to earn a little bit of money. Some great long-term investment opportunities are in startups, recently listed companies, real estate in emerging markets, and more. These aren't going to turn you into an overnight millionaire, but they may make you one with time. Number 2, diversify. If you take a look at some of the richest people on earth today, they're all focused on doing one thing with their investments: diversifying. It almost seems like a buzzword when you hear it today, but it is so important. Millions want to keep investing their money, but they don't want to take any sort of risk at all. That's why instead of betting all of their money on one big investment, they split their money and invest in different sectors. For example, if you invest all of your money into just Tesla stock, that may or may not be a good investment. If the Tesla stock goes up, that's great, but if it goes down, you just lost a lot of money. But if you invest in multiple things at once, you can rely on multiple stocks, giving you a lot less risk. This also means that you shouldn't just invest all of your money in the stock market or cryptocurrency either. You can diversify your investments within these markets, but due to their interconnected nature, you're still at risk of going up or down with the market itself. That's why you should try to invest in as many markets as you can, whether it's stocks, real estate, bonds, securities, or even farmland. Number 1, automate everything. What's better than doing business while you sleep? In the age of computers and the internet, automating your investing is easier than ever before. And once you get the engine running, it basically works like magic. Certain apps and services allow you to automatically invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other assets once they hit a low enough price. And they also automatically sell these assets once they hit a high enough price. This is just one of the ways that you can automate your investments. If you have enough money, you could hire someone to do just about anything for you. Consider hiring a virtual assistant to do all of your daily tasks, schedule everything, take and make phone calls, and more. Outsourcing menial tasks is also a good option through websites like Fiverr or Upwork. And that is a wrap for this video. What are your tips for becoming a millionaire? Let me know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.